Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to clean the filter of 2026 model smart inverter AC. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video. First, power off the AC. You can see this projected part. You need to lift up the filter like this. You can see two of them. You need to lift the filter like this and pull out. See, like this. It's that easy. I can see the filter is full of dust. Take a brush and clean the top side of the filter. Just clean it like this. See the dust. This is just less than a month of dust accumulation. It's better to clean every month. See that? See? If you don't clean the filter often, your AC won't cool properly. Clean the bottom also. It's clean now. Insert the back side of the filter first. You can see that hole there. Like this. And here also. Align it. Insert the rear like this. And you close the filter like this and push down. Insert it like this and you just push down. That's all. Thank you for watching my video friend. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.